take this topic, very interesting one, area and perimeter of a trapezoid. Okay, trapezoid is actually a quadrilateral. You know what are quadrilaterals? Yes. Okay, what are quadrilaterals?
They are shapes which have 4 sides.
Okay, can you draw one for me?
Like a square or a rectangle.
Okay, that's right. Or any 4-sided figure. Okay. Okay. Fine. So, yes. So, you know, any 4-sided figure, it can also be like this. Okay, like, I mean, which doesn't have any proper shape. Okay, so this is a quadrilateral. And if we have some quadrilateral which has a particular shape, okay, which has one pair of opposite side parallel, okay, you know, for showing the parallel sides we use arrows. In mathematics, for showing parallel for equal sides, you know, what do we do? For example, in case of rectangle, okay, for showing equal sides we use these lines like this. And for showing parallel, we use arrows. Opposite pair of sides in rectangles are parallel, okay? So, in order to indicate parallel, you know, we use arrow. One pair is always parallel. This is the only property. If any quadrilateral has only one pair of parallel sides, not both pair, because if both pair will be parallel, then it will become a parallelogram, right? You know what is a parallelogram?
Yes.
Can you draw it here? Okay. Okay, that's good. So it has both pair of sides parallel. So the difference between the two is, between parallelogram and trapezoid, is that trapezoid only has one pair of parallel sides. Okay? So this is known as trapezoid. We'll be learning about it today, and it's very interesting. Okay, now we have a special type of trapezoid which is known as isosceles trapezoid. Okay, you know, isosceles trapezoid is a type of a trapezoid in which, you know, the side which is non-parallel is equal. Okay, see, generally, you know, all trapezoids do not have the non-parallel side equal. We can have a trapezoid which could look like this. Okay, and in this case, as you can see, okay, let me name it A, B, C, and D. Here, AD is not equal to BC, right?
Yes.
So this is not an isosceles trapezoid, but this one is, because here this side is equal to this side. Okay? And, you know, it has a property, since it is isosceles, its base angles are equal. For example, this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this one. Okay? So it has one pair of opposite side equal. Okay, and these two angles are equal. Okay, and both pair of base angles are congruent. Diagonals are congruent. Diagonals means, okay, let me draw a diagonal for you. Okay, this is a diagonal, this is another diagonal, and these are equal in measure. Okay, and both sides are congruent. Okay, so base pairs are equal, diagonals are equal, and one pair of opposite side, non-parallel side, is equal. Okay, this is known as isosceles trapezoid. Now we will discover the area of trapezoid. How we will find the area of trapezoid. Okay, it's very interesting. Okay, look here carefully. Let's see that this is a trapezoid, right? Okay, now this is known as base 1. Okay, and let's say that this is base 2. Okay, and this is the height of the trapezoid, right? Yeah. Now, okay, we have divided into two parts. This is the midpoint, okay, of this side, okay. So, or you can say you divide the height into two parts. Just cut the height right from the midpoint, okay, and draw a line which is parallel to the bases, okay. First of all, take the midpoint of the height, okay, and then draw a line which is parallel to the base, okay. Then what will you do? Just take it, cut it, and for example, just suppose that this is a piece of paper, and you just cut it and take it round, okay, like this in the direction. Okay, so what will happen? Okay, you take it just below.
It will be a parallelogram.
Yes, you are right. It will be a parallelogram. Okay, so this will become a parallelogram. Okay, what will be its base now?
It'll be, the base will be base 2 plus base 1.
That's right. Okay, so it will be B2 plus B1. So this is one side. Okay, and the other side will be same?
Yeah.
Why? Because it's a parallelogram?
Parallelogram.
Yes. Opposite sides of parallelogram are?
Equal.
Yes, that's right. Okay, and what is the formula for finding out the area of the parallelogram?
So, height divided by 2 plus B1 plus B2.
No, what is area of parallelogram?
It's base times height.
Okay, I'm asking you. Okay, my question is, okay, area of a parallelogram. What is area of a parallelogram? General formula.
Base times height.
Yes, that's right. Base times height. Okay, and what is base here?
Base is B2 plus B1. So
yes, that's right. Height, B1 plus B2.
So height divided by 2 times B1 plus B2.
That's right, because here, we divided height into two parts, right? This was only H2, H by 2, right? Because in the previous one, we divided it into two parts, okay? Remember, this is H by 2 and this is H by 2. Okay, so from here, we have the formula, okay? Actually, we write it like this, okay? H1 over H2, okay? Here we are. So these are actually the equal. So we use the formula, and what is the formula here? Okay, let's have a look. H1, here it is. H half times, you can write it like this, H over 2, half times H multiplied by B1 plus B2. Okay, so this is the area of parallelogram. Okay, it's simple. Okay. Now, this is the area of trapezoid. Okay, so let's have a look at this question. Very simple. The trapezoid below has a B1 of 14 millimeters. So base 1 is 14. Okay, base 2 is 20. Okay, and a height of 22 millimeters. So the area of this trapezoid is, what will be the area of this trapezoid? We will write the formula half times B1 plus B2 times H. Yes. Then substituting the values. Yes, that's right. Good. Yes. Okay. Good. Okay. Okay. Solving. Good. That's good. Oh, yes. Right. 374 millimeters square. Okay. So, it's very simple.